We're at the Collingwood Children's Farm where they have an epic veggie garden, and I just had to give you a tour and show you what they're doing here. It's amazing. Check it out. Snow peas that are all starting to flower, and some children in the background. We've got more beautiful snow peas over here, and these are obviously a bit older because they've got some gorgeous snow peas on there.
Do you want to pick one too?
This is scarlet kale. I can see fennel under here. These are turnips. I'm guessing leek or spring onion.
Can I go in your bag, Mum?
Only if you're gentle. Look how gorgeous those rows are. We've got some chard here. Radicchio. Check out the symmetry in these gorgeous lines of herbs, veggies, flowers. Love it. If I were to take a guess, this would be parsley. This is one epic compost pile. And it goes all the way over here. Can I smell the poo? Yep, I can. If you want to see more epic veggie gardens in Melbourne, click subscribe and leave me a comment to let me know exactly what you want to see. We're growing an edible garden from seed at home too, and recording everything we learn along the way. So check out the other videos in this channel, like, subscribe, and it'll let me know that this sort of thing is worth doing again pretty soon.
Mama.
Hello little piggy. Until next time, happy gardening.
Happy gardening.